Right, just out with Andy again. We've had a pot of steam and a bit of flapjack in Massum. Look at that there, proper BSA Gold Star. What a cracking looking bike that is, eh? The real thing. Let's have a bit of heatage going on in the old grips. Let's have a look. Let's put them on there. It's a bit chilly today. In fact, it's that cold. I've just seen a brass monkey buying some lagging. Way! Right, we're good to go. Got the old Aoocci powered up. As I say, if I think a bit of kit's particularly good, I've no hesitation in recommending it to you. I get asked to review a lot of things that I'm not so keen on recommending, but these Aoocci TFT constant video recording, front and rear with playback facility, Apple CarPlay, tyre pressure monitoring, GPS, telephony, text, WhatsApp, music, audio, everything at your fingertips. Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. Really useful bit of kit. It's not often that a bit of peripheral electronics can be said to have real world value for us motorcyclists, but and I'm not that techno savvy and I'm not really a technophile, but if something works and something adds value to your riding experience, then I think it's worth a bob or two. And these, if you buy one of these through the affiliate link in the description below, you will get 22% off. That's a whacking bit of discount from me. 22% off with the code TBW22, TBW22. Click the link in the description below. This is going to come in just over £130 sterling, and you'll get this beautiful TFT screen. You'll get a video camera for the front, video camera for the rear, all the fixings. It's very straightforward. Even a spannering techno monkey like me managed to do it in a couple of hours. So yeah, and all of a sudden you've got complete interoperability with your phone. You've got video front, video rear, recording all the time, which, you know, brings with it a lot by way of contingency. And you've got all the other functionality as well, and there's plenty of it. So yeah, either the Aoocci C5 Pro, which is a slightly smaller screen, or this, the Aoocci C6 Pro. Click the link below. Right, let's crack on. So a bit of a favourite, this route from Massum. Massum, a very popular meeting place for motorcycles, particularly vintage motorcycles and modern classic motorcycles, and gentlemen and occasionally ladies of a certain vintage themselves, myself and Andy included. Hey! Oh, gits!